Some cold cases remain unsolved. Others feel like something far darker happened. Tonight, we open the archives of one of the most terrifying unsolved murders in history. In 1922, deep in the German countryside, stood an isolated farm known as Hinterkaifeck. Quiet, remote, hidden from the outside world. But days before the murders, strange things began happening. The family discovered footprints in the snow leading toward the farm, but none leading away. The owner, Andreas Gruber, claimed he heard footsteps in the attic at night. Tools began disappearing, and a newspaper arrived that nobody remembered buying. Despite the warnings, the family stayed. On the night of March 31, 1922, someone lured members of the family into the barn. One by one, they were murdered. The killer then entered the house. The family's maid was killed, and even the young child sleeping inside was not spared. Days later, neighbors discovered the bodies, but what investigators found next made the case even more disturbing. Someone had continued feeding the animals. Meals had been eaten inside the home. Smoke still rose from the chimney. The killer may have stayed at the farm for days after the murders. Police questions dozens of suspects, neighbors, travelers, even members of the family themselves, but no evidence led to a confirmed killer. The Hinterkaifeck farm was eventually destroyed, but the mystery never disappeared. Who walked through the snow toward the farm that night? Why did the killer remain inside the house afterward? And what was hiding in the attic before the murders began? The Hinterkaifeck murders remained unsolved for more than 100 years later, a case filed with silence, fear, and unanswered questions. If you want more chilling videos like this, make sure to subscribe and follow the channel.